Welcome back to another episode of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm your host, Susie Selleck, here today in Perryville, Kentucky at the Chaplin River Bridge. It's got some interesting history, so stay tuned. I'll tell you all about it. Originally, a covered bridge was built at this location sometime before 1862. In 1909, an overloaded traction engine, also known as a steam-powered tractor, damaged the covered bridge and was replaced with a pony truss bridge. That bridge was replaced by a heavier pony truss bridge around 1921, which was then replaced by the current bridge in 1934. Spanning the Chaplin River, this bridge carries Route 150 traffic and is about 96 feet long. She's also 86 years old and still carrying about 1,300 vehicles on a daily basis. Not too shabby. For joining us for another episode of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm your host, Susie Selleck, here today in Perryville, Kentucky at the Chaplin River Bridge. Hope you enjoyed your time with us. Remember, travel slowly and stop often. Bye for now.